In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Shopify in Klaviyo. This connection lets Klaviyo pull in key Shopify data, like customers, orders, and subscriber activity, so you can run email and SMS marketing with better targeting and automation. Start by opening your Klaviyo dashboard. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account for the brand and store you want to connect, because integrations apply to the account you are currently viewing. Next, look to the bottom left sidebar and click the Integrations tab. This is where Klaviyo manages all of your connected tools and data sources. Once you are on the Integrations page, go to the top right corner and select Explore Directory. The directory is Klaviyo's marketplace of official integrations, and it is the fastest way to find Shopify. In the search bar, type Shopify. When the Shopify result appears, click on the Shopify card to open the integration details. Then select the Install button. Klaviyo will ask for your Shopify store URL. Enter your store's URL carefully, using the standard store domain you use to access Shopify. Make sure it is spelled correctly, since an incorrect URL can prevent the connection from completing. After you enter the store URL, click Connect to Shopify. This will redirect you to Shopify, so you can approve permissions for Klaviyo. On the Shopify permissions page, select Install. This step authorizes Shopify to share the necessary data with Klaviyo, which is what enables features like purchase tracking and customer syncing. Once the app is installed, you will return to Klaviyo to finalize the setup options. Find the checkbox that says Sync your Shopify email subscribers to Klaviyo and check it. This ensures that people who subscribe through Shopify are also added to Klaviyo, so you can message them through campaigns and flows. After that, select your preferred list from the drop-down menu. Choose the list you use for new subscribers and keep it consistent with your existing sign-up forms and welcome series so your automation stays organized. Finally, click the Complete Setup button in the bottom right. Give it a little time to start syncing, especially if your store has a lot of historical data. And that is all there is to it.